See, shortened fiscal year earlier we created, right? So created with the GS here. While creating it, selected year dependent. Number of posting periods 3, and the number of special posting periods I have given 4. After that, just I saved it. I selected. Okay, below pop-up will appear after that. So just I have given current period 2022 and click on once again new entries. Okay. Use double click on the shortened fiscal year. Number you need to give 3. 3 because it is less than 6 only it is accepting. That is the main shortened fiscal year means less than 6 months. The explanation also I have given. Just we tried with 9. That is the reason it was not saved. And the periods also year shift mechanism. Just you give it 1 to 3. When you try in practice also 1 to 6 are only it will allow. Less than 6 months it will allow the shortened fiscal year. In our case I have given only 3 months, and at the end also you need to give 12 unless it will not system once again it will not allow you to save. Okay, explanation also I have given. The fiscal year which contains less than 6 posting periods, if we require more than 6 months, then it should be regular fiscal year. This point. Okay, you please start practicing, you will understand more about it. And our status also I am noting down. Once again I'll repeat it. So where we are standing now, see basic settings. From basic setting, definition of a company completed. Define company codes also completed. Assign company codes to company done. Business area, define business area completed. Physical year variant, define physical year variant, and shortened physical year variant also we covered. Assign company code to physical year variant completed. Next, posting periods. Definition of posting period variant completed. Assign posting period variant to company code completed. And open and closing posting periods. You remember, right? I have shared screen. This one, open and closing posting periods. Okay, completed. Define chart of accounts completed. Steps, I'm showing the steps because where we completed, when we complete, just you will get the you will get confused. That's the reason I'm showing this step. Definition of chart of accounts, assign company code to chart of accounts completed. And number ranges, yesterday we discussed it, right? Number ranges for documents in this step. Number ranges, SA. We'll discuss more about this one in coming classes. Number range for SA document type, SA only we have created. Okay, change number ranges information. We have done it. So pending is field status variant and define account groups. Define rate and earning accounts are pending. And these topics, tolerance groups and global parameters also pending. So I'll explain about the define account groups. See, account groups. we need to classify our GL accounts into various groups depending on the nature of GL accounts, like fixed assets, current assets, manufacturing expenses, and administration expenses. And we can create GL under groups only. So there should be at least one group, one account group in chart of accounts. We can create as many GL account groups as we want. There is no upper limit. We'll go to implementation steps also. See, this is the step. We can use T code OBD4. You can click on new entries, or else say you can click on new entries, or else existing one. Existing one also you can copy and use it. So we need to create GLs under this account. So in coming classes, we need to create the GL accounts for each each expenses, each assets, each income. We need to create based on our requirement. So we are creating in this step group. So grouping of the GL accounts. So our chart of account is GSIN. So I am just copied, clicking on give our chart of accounts. So group, this is a chart of accounts column. This is account group column asset. Name of the group assets, cash, expenses, income, liability. This is account group. So we are giving the number range. So assets we can create between this 2 lakh to 2,999,000. Okay, enter, save. So I am giving one request, my own request. So account group for sign. Okay, you have, so this way also you can give it. See, chart of accounts GSIN, account group SCPL, share capital 1 lakh to 1,99,000. So this way also you can give it, or else you can give assets, cash, expenses, income, liabilities. You can give it this way also. So this recording will available, right? You can now you can note down, or else while watching recordings also you can practice it. You can use this one also, or else you can use this one also. Whichever is comfort with you, you can work on it. So it's easy. That's the reason actually assets grouping wise also it's very easy. Assets, expenses, income, liability, only we have 5. That is the reason. Or else I'll take this screenshot. Oh, screenshot. Once again it will disconnect internet. Okay, I'll give this screenshot. I'll update it once again. I'll share with you. Okay. Account groups. Anyone any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, you understand. So this can be used easily while reporting purpose also. Assets in balance sheet also, assets and liabilities also you can see, right? Under assets and liabilities, we need to create many GLs. In coming classes, need to create the GLs. And income, expenses also P&L account. It is coming under P&L account. Cash also it will coming in assets only. Yeah. Please, if you have any doubt this step.
No, sir.
Okay. So define of account group completed. Next, define retained earning account. Retained earning account is similar to surplus in P&L account. At the end of the fiscal year, the system carries forward the balance of the P&L account to retained earning account. We need to assign a retained earning account to each P&L account by specifying a P&L account statement. So at the year end, surplus, either gain or loss, will move to one specific GL account. Unless until we not created, system will not allow to post any entries. So we just in this step, actually we have to declare account number of our retained earning account. We have to declare it now as part of configuration because it is mandatory account. Just we need to declare. In step retained earning account. See, this is a T code OB53/N OB53. Our chart of accounts GSIN. So here you need to declare the GL account. Account X. Okay. Enter. You will get this error pop up because this GL is not yet created. Just we are declaring in this step. Save. 1 second. It will appear, but you need to enter. Create your own request. This is retained earning account. Retained earning account for GSIN. Save. Okay. So if you go once again, you can see GSIN. So it got saved. You understand this step, retained earning account step? So just we are declaring this GL account because it is mandatory. At the year end, the P&L either surplus, either gain or loss, it will move to this specific GL account. I will create this GL account later. Next, tolerance group. Tolerance group for GL accounts. Tolerance group for GL account. This called tolerance group means tolerance groups in general means permitted deviation. In our context, it means permitted payment differences. While processing payment transactions, we may have to allow deviations from invoices amounts and other terms mentioned in document. That means we may have to receive or pay less more than that limit invoice amount, but the deviated amount should within the permissible limits. The permitted limit is called tolerance limit. So we are giving permission limit for this step. Actually, we are giving a permission to either employees or a GL accounts or customer or vendor invoices. We'll go to this step, implementation page. Directly we can go using /n SPRO. Reference IMG, implementation gate step. Financial accounting new. General ledger accounting. General ledger accounting. Business transactions. Open item clearing. Clearing differences. So definition for define tolerance group for GL accounts. Click if you want to see. You can see the T codes also. Define tolerance group for GL accounts. Create new entry. Our company code GSIN. Tolerance group for GSIN. Just you can, if you want to give any number, you can give, or else we can give it as a control blank also. Just we'll give blank. Because if you give any limit, you cannot post any entries more than that. So we are controlling here. So what is our step? Tolerance group for GL accounts. In our case, just I am giving blank. Save it. Tolerance group for employees. Tolerance group for employees. Create new. Company code GSIN. See, for example, I am giving 5,000, 50,000. So if there is any that limit more than this limit, they cannot post it. So in this case, I am giving upper limit, both. Discount either 10%. You can give it and save. Create your own tolerance group for employees. Copy and create your new request. So this is everything is controlled. While they are posting any invoices or GL account or entries, it will control from through these screens. Next, assign users two tolerance groups. So it is already it's a demo system, right? In our case, it is only SAP user only user. So no need to work anything in real time. Each user or each group you need to create their username, their group. Just you save it. In our case, I am only one user because this is demo system. You can leave it as a blank and just save it. Okay, understand?
Santosh, one question actually.
Yeah, please.
First one, very first one, tolerance group for GL. So here we are trying to control, if let's say my payment is 10,000 and my invoice amount is 9,500, let's assume.
Okay,
So less than 5.
Just a minute. We'll go to the screen and you can ask me. Yeah, please.
So let's say my invoice payment is 10,000
Yes.
and my invoice amount is 9,500.
Okay.
So the difference 500 we are trying to control to clear this particular E code, right?
No. From this screen, it is control. So the difference, how much? See, the difference, how much amount they can accept. The percentage also. This is group.
But here we are not giving any values as such, right?
Yes. Now in this screen, now we are not any controlling. I'm giving blank because system will not allow if you post any more than that amounts.
Okay, you mean to say if you give 10,000 difference as difference, then if it is more than 10,000, we will not be able to clear it.
Yes.
That's what we are trying to say.
Yes. We cannot. Yes, we cannot proceed further.
Okay, got it.
System will not allow you to do the transaction.
Yeah. Got it. Thanks.
Okay. So if you get in real time, if you get that kind of errors, that time you need to remember where we have these controls. That time you need to come and check it. In that error also will get with T. So in coming classes, if you understand, I mean, more high about SAP, that errors and how we resolve that kind of scenarios also will cover. Because what you think something is missing or we are unable to proceed, in that way you may deviate. That is the reason just I'm giving like that in these screens. If you want in our scenarios also, we can cover it in coming classes. Once again, we'll come to these screens and we'll work on it. Okay. If you don't understand also, no problem. But in coming classes, once again, we'll cover it. Please watch these recordings and please start practicing. Definitely, you will understand more. Okay. Pooja, Geeta, and
Okay, sir.
remaining.
Yes, sir.
I cannot see that. Participants. Surendra could also join. Ask unmute. He is unable to unmute. He told me that is the reason he is not responding. Okay. More. Make to host. There is no option to unmute also, Surendra. Well, mute. Only ask only option is there, sorry. Okay. Okay. Now we covered tolerance also. The tolerance limit also we covered. So This is our status. Next, global parameters. So the last global parameters. You can remember this T code OBY6. OBY6. Please remember why I'm telling, I'll tell you. Our company code GSIN. Okay, double click. So everything, see whatever we worked on it. For example, our company code, country key, currency, location. So we have given the physical year variant, right? V3. Chart of accounts, our chart of accounts GSIN, our company is GRAT. So posting period also GSIN. Everything it's got saved in this screen. So the global parameters, what are the global parameters? Everything it's saved in this screen. And why I told you to remember, there is one interview question I got it. Negative posting permitted. So the interviewer asked me, system, will you allow to post negative entries, negative postings? Answer is yes. System allow you to post negative postings in company code in T code OBY6. This is the answer. I'll note down in our question and answers. In introduction only we are maintaining interview questions, right? 6. Will you hello? System will allow you to post negative entries. So answer also I'll mention here. Yes. System will allow to post it if we select negative this option. If we select negative postings permitted, select the box negative posting permitted in T code OBY6 screen. Right. So in the from the beginning onwards, we are continuing with our interview questions also. So till at the end of the classes, we'll get many questions and answers, interview questions also. Okay, you need to select this one, and business area also we have created, right? If you want to create business area financial statements also, you can select. Okay, define default value date. Define default value date. So if you select this box, when you post entries, that default value date will appear. So in that will check in future. So propose physical year. You can select it and save. So create your own request. Global parameters. for GSIN. Save. Save. We have still 7 minutes. So this one also we have completed.
Santosh, one question.
Yeah, please.
What is negative posting, first of all?
Negative postings we'll discuss. See, about the tolerance group also, we have theory, you can study it also. See, about the assignment of tolerance groups and everything it is then. About coming to global parameters. Okay, we'll go this theory also. Negative posting permitted. See, system allows negative postings in our company code if this option is selected in this screen. So negative postings, Giri, while working in postings, we'll explain more it. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, see, global parameters. Parameters means rules, properties, conditions, limits, features, boundaries, etc. See, we have selected, right, business area financial statements. We select this option if we business area wise financial statements are required in our company code. Next, propose physical year. If this option is selected, system maintains physical year information also with the document number. It helps us to search document faster. So, Giri, you will connect it. So if we search document, because this is completely, now we are in implementation steps. So once we start working in end user steps also, you will understand more. Because if we posted any kind of document also, only you will understand this one. See, if you posted any document, we can search with that the document number, physical year. It will help if you select this option.
Yeah, in
You remember
FB03.
FB03.
Yeah, I got it.
Got it, right? So likewise,
Yeah.
so define default value date. Define default value date. System propose default value date in field. If this option is selected, the feature saves time of the end user. I mean business or business. Next, negative posting period. Also, system allows negative postings in our company code if this option is selected in this screen. Negative postings. Note, if there is any mistake in a document, we can either post a normal reversal or negative posting. This is called negative posting, theoretically. I'll repeat it once again for you all. If there is a mistake in a document, we can either post a normal reversal or negative reversal. We have 3 minutes, sufficient time. I'll explain more. So, for example, we made a mistake, something, any kind of document. We can reverse it using FB08 T code. Or else we can rebook that entry. For example, instead of salaries account data, for example, salaries, normally salaries account data to outstanding salaries. What I did, instead of outstanding salaries, I say credited outstanding rent. So it's a mistake, my mistake. So business, they are in very stress in month and time. So though anything can happen while posting entries. In that time, in that situation, you have to reverse using FB08. It's a, or else you need to post a negative posting. How it is? So it's already debit. So credit. If you using FB08, it will reverse. It will be debit, it will be credit. So no, I don't want to reverse it. I want to just post an entry. So in that time, outstanding Simple. Outstanding account debit. Okay. Credit the salary. It is negative postings. Giri, you understand this scenario?
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Till now, our basic settings
Yes,
completed finally. Yeah. Basic settings completed and field status variant. We have field status variant also. We have very limited time. Okay. We'll continue from Monday. Okay.
Okay.
Please. Okay. Meanwhile, please, all of you, please read our material. Please try to practice so you will understand more. Once we complete it, we spend we'll try to spend a lot of time for this one. After that, we'll start general ledger accounting from the beginning of the creation of GL master. What are the required masters? We'll cover it. We'll try to cover 2 or 3 classes because with deep explanation, I want to give more theory also. Please try to work on it. Unless until you start practicing, you will not understand. Okay. All of you,
Okay, sir.
thank you. Thank you so much your time. Happy weekend.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. Bye.
Bye, sir. Monday.